In today's fast-paced world of YouTube, content creators are constantly on the lookout for innovative ways to produce high-quality videos with minimal effort. The traditional hassle of being on camera is no longer a barrier thanks to the emergence of AI-powered automation. This game-changing technology has revolutionized content creation, enabling a new wave of faceless videos that captivate audiences. Let's meet Alex, an aspiring YouTuber who has a passion for technology, but a fear of appearing on camera. Alex always dreamt of creating a channel that explores the latest advancements in AI, gadgets, and digital trends. However, the thought of being in front of the camera was daunting. Determined to find a solution, Alex turned to AI automation, a revolutionary tool that promised to make content creation seamless and faceless. Alex began the AI journey by researching AI tools capable of handling video creation. The first step was to find software that could generate voiceovers. With a variety of AI voice synthesis options available, Alex carefully selected one that offered natural-sounding voices and a range of accents. This allowed Alex to create professional narrations for the videos without the need to record even a single line. Next, Alex needed a way to visualize the content. This is where AI-powered video generators came into play. By inputting a script or key points, these tools could produce dynamic and animated visuals that perfectly complemented the narration. Alex utilized these tools to create eye-catching graphics, infographics, and animations. The result was visually stunning content that engaged viewers. To ensure the videos were informative and up-to-date, Alex employed AI-driven research assistants. These tools scoured the web for the latest trends, news, and data, providing Alex with accurate and relevant information to include in the videos. This not only saved time, but also ensured the content was always fresh and accurate. With the content creation process streamlined by AI, Alex focused on refining the final touches. AI-driven editing software automatically trimmed unnecessary parts, enhanced video quality, and added background music or sound effects. The result was a polished video that looked professionally made. Finally, Alex leveraged AI for SEO optimization. Tools that analyze keywords and trends helped optimize video titles, descriptions, and tags. This ensured that the videos reached the right audience and performed well on the platform. In just a few months, Alex's channel became a resounding success. The faceless videos, powered by AI automation, drew in thousands of viewers who were captivated by the high-quality content and engaging visuals. With the help of AI, Alex had achieved the dream of producing compelling YouTube videos without ever having to step in front of the camera.